Hello, welcome back to Blink TV Entertainment. Now we're gonna unbox this 7287 police boat. Okay, so just let me open this. I bought it on a discount. So from $59, that's for Indonesian price. Now has been decreased to $39. And the other one, okay, 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 got it. Okay, it's now opening. Oh no, the box is destroyed this time. This is probably supposed to be one of my most favorite sets of all time. But now the box is broken, and you know that I collect boxes. So, oh yeah. Oh yay, the instructions is not crumbled. Yay. Okay, so that's it. So we have one uncrumbled instruction booklet. Plastic bag number 1. Plastic bag number 2. And the boat hull. With the gigantic boat hull with the motor attachment. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you. Oh yeah, here's the sticker sheet. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.